Welcome to lecture number 19. Students, in this lecture we shall discuss press release. Press release is very common in organizations and departments when they need to provide some kind of news to the media. They provide press release. If you know how to write it, because it is a technical type of writing, then you can earn good income. Those organizations can hire you, or you can have a contract with them to write press release for them. So if you can write a press release, then you can have a bright career as well. If you love journalism, then it can be an ideal job for you. Let's start our lecture. In this lecture, we shall discuss what is press release, sections of our press release formats, and review. First of all, we shall discuss what is press release. A press release is an official statement issued to newspapers giving information on a precise matter. Press release is a good choice for a writer who wants to write for media. It can be a good source of income for a journalist. It is important for any company or department because it provides official statement from the company to the media for news. Media waits for your press release to create news. When the media gets press release from a company, then it is decided whether it is news or not. The media will publish the news on the basis of your provided press release. Sections of a press release. There are three sections of a press release. Number 1, headline. Number 2, body text. Number 3, contact information. Headline. Headline is very important for any news, so it is good to add it in your press release. If you don't put headline, then the TV or the newspaper will add a headline by itself. The headline of a press release should be attractive and catchy. It should be short, easier to read, appealing, newsworthy, interesting, and fresh. The headline should have location, city, and date where this event is happening. If the press release is being provided from foreign, then the name of the country should also be added in the headline. The heading should be catchy and be able to grab the attention of the reader. Body text. The body text of a press release contains complete details of the event. The first sentence should be catchy and containing maximum information. The first paragraph of the press release should be short and succinct. The news agencies or media don't have time to read long stories, so your press release should be concise and to the point. It should also be mentioned that who says or directs the event. It can be in the start, middle, or at the end of the press release. Second paragraph should have all the necessary details. Contact information. At the end of the press release, the contact number of concerned person should be given. It is possible that media or newspaper wants to ask something more, so they should be able to contact the concerned person or the representative of the company. It's time to review. The press release should have the following elements. It should be newsworthy. Its length should be 200 to 400 words. The heading of the press release should be catchy and interesting. It should not be promotional and objective. Press release format. There are two common formats of press release, and each of them has its own advantages and disadvantages. PDF format, plain text. PDF format. Advantage. PDF is compatible to nearly all devices. Disadvantages. The size of PDF file is heavy, so it can block mailbox of a journalist. This type of file is not easy to edit or copy. It is difficult to know how many people have read it. Plain text. It is a safe and good choice to have plain text format. A good press release is innovative, interesting, and worth reading. Advantages. It is easy to edit and copy. It is light in size, so it does not block the mailbox of the journalist. Disadvantages. It's boring and does not look attractive, so does not encourage reading. This type of text is looked badly on some devices. In case of PDF files, it is not easy to say who saw it. Thank you.